Hello everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. Today we will learn how to make an RGB LED using Arduino. So let us begin. So first of all, for this we need an RGB LED, 3 resistors, a few connecting wires and an Arduino. Now let us see how to join them. So for this, first of all we need to connect the RGB LEDs cathode terminal to this GND pin of the Arduino and the other 3 terminals that is red, blue and green to these respective resistors, and second terminal of these resistors to this 11 and 13 pin number of this Arduino respectively. So now let us see how the code will be. So this is our code. Over here we have used two functions. First is the void setup function and second one is the void loop function. In this void setup function, we have declared the 11 pin number, 12 and 13 pin number of this Arduino Uno for this output purpose. And this void loop function, what we are doing is, we are simply using these color codes for this LED. That is for say this is 00255 is for red color and 2550 and 0 is for green. This one is for blue and this one is for yellow respectively. And over here we are using this delay function that is equal to 1 second and it is in milliseconds, so over here it is 1 second. So now let us see how actually it will be done. So for this I am clicking on the start simulation. As you can see, red, green, blue and yellow, and this way it will keep on looping because over here we have used a loop function. Hope you will like it. Thank you.